And do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind, that you may prove what is that good and acceptable and perfect will of God. Hey y'all, I know that you guys said you wanted to see more workout videos, so here you go, sis, okay? This is a dumbbell only glute workout, so let's get it. Basically, I'm just stretching. I sped up this part because y'all already know how to stretch, hopefully. And hopefully you guys stretch before your workout because that is super important. You don't want to pull anything and you do not want to hurt yourself. I love to jump rope, so I usually jump rope before just to get like my heart pumping and, you know, just to get that pump, you know what I mean, before I get into my workout. So if you don't like doing like certain types of cardio, I definitely recommend jumping rope, and I did 100 reps, okay? If you guys watched my last glute workout video, you already know that you have to warm up your glutes before you get into lifting any type of weight, okay? I don't care if it's dumbbells, like I don't care if it's weights on the Smith machine, like I don't care what it is, you have to warm up your glutes or you're definitely not gonna feel it in your booty, okay? And as always, I am using my Sewn Fit resistance bands. It is still available to purchase, so make sure you guys click the link in the description box and get your own set, okay baby? Next, I am doing fire hydrants. Y'all, this, bro, when I tell you, like, this really hurts your glutes, man. Like, you will feel it, I promise you, probably after like the first set, but it's worth it because it gets your booty on fire, okay? So yeah, I love this exercise. This next exercise is called glute clams. I literally do this in almost every video. I really love this exercise. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just flip on both sides. You can do all 30 on one leg and then do the other 30 on another leg. So it's really just up to you, or you can do it how I did it and just move back and forth. I think this next exercise is called side steps, but honestly there's different ways to do it. I just chose to stay in place with it, but you can also walk with it as well. And yeah, it hurts so bad. You want to try to go low. I could have probably went lower actually, but I still felt it in my glutes, so yeah. You will also feel it in your quads too. This next exercise is called dumbbell bench step ups, and it's pretty self-explanatory, so just watch. I apologize for this angle. Y'all know it's hard recording yourself when you can't see yourself, but the angle does get better, so keep watching. Basically, this is a single leg hip thrust. Please do not sleep on this exercise. You do not need weights. All you need is your body weight. Honey, you will feel it. My glutes were on fire. Like, this is the most underrated glute exercise, but it's one of the top exercises to grow that booty. So let's get it. This exercise is called an assisted Romanian deadlift. It was my first time doing this, so please be nice to me, girl. And yeah, just watch. Okay, y'all, so we are moving right into sumo squats. I definitely love this exercise. Basically, all you want to do is just point your toes out and squat. Now, I realized that I wasn't squatting low enough, so as you guys see me move through the reps, you will see that I get lower. But basically, just think like you're sitting in a chair and you should be fine. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a try on haul. If you're not looking cute in the gym, please do not blame it on me. I be really trying to put y'all up on these brands. So this brand is called Jed North, and let me just say, y'all won't be disappointed, okay? Be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, sweetie, if you want to see more of me. We are moving right into the first outfit. The motto to this brand is menace to ordinary. And y'all, it ain't nothing ordinary about this set I have on, baby, okay? You see how it has like the little cutout for, I guess your ankle? It is so cute. This is a size small. Can we get into this bra real quick, y'all? Like, look at this bra. The color is kind of like this greenish, like pale green color. Okay, I'm being in the gym like, no, I don't do that in the gym, but y'all, this fire. Fire, fire, fire. This is the next outfit. The quality is stupendous. So this is an extra small to small. The color is like this purple color. It's coming up even more purple on camera, but it's kind of like this bluish purple in real life. Of course, it's very, very shapy. It's super thick, like, oh, and it's really long. Y'all know I am 5'8", and this is giving, okay? Look at that, beautiful. It's like ribbed. It is so nice, y'all. This is the next outfit. It's giving me pink, and it's also giving me shape. So these leggings are exactly like the bluish purple one that you guys seen, and it's very it's like a ribbed material, so it's super cute. Kind of like a tank top. I wouldn't even call it a bra. And I also have on that teal color bra that you guys seen earlier underneath. And this is the back of this outfit. Super cute. I really like the back. It's nice and long, and it makes your butt pop out. Okay, baby, pop out. If you want to feel good, you have to look good. Sometimes I don't even feel like going to the gym, but then I put on like a cute gym outfit, and instantly I'm like, okay, let me go get this workout in because I look good and I need people to see this, okay? If that's you, you definitely need to cop you some nice, beautiful gym clothing. Yeah, it's giving me shape for sure. Okay, y'all, so the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is just this top. I ended up getting 2 gym tops with like no leggings, no set, just the top. It also has the thumb cutouts, which I love. I know that I have so many leggings that could go with it. It doesn't look bad with this pink. I'll show you guys the details on it though. These are the details here. It's a pretty basic, cute top. So this is the back. Yep, so I like it, guys, and I hope that you guys like it too. So the final top that I got was this just regular gray top. It's thinner than I thought it would be, but that's not a bad thing. I don't know what I was expecting. Super nice, super comfortable, and I feel like I can just throw this on when I don't, because it is dry fit. Like, it's a dry fit top, so I feel like I can just throw this on. It's just a simple basic gym top, basically. And it's in the color gray. It's super cute. Logo right here. Super simple, dry fit. When you sweat, you know, everything will be good. Super cute. I can't wait to wear this to the gym too. It's just really simple. That's pretty much it, you guys. That's pretty much the whole video. That's everything that I got. So I might connect this video with another video, but just in case I don't, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Click that subscribe button, and yeah, guys.
Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Cause I'm the MVP, most valuable. Yeah, I'm the MVP, most valuable player, That's who I be.